Welcome to my YouTube channel, guys, and today in this particular video I will talk about Digistore24. What is Digistore24? For the beginner, I will explain you that Digistore24 is a platform where people sell services or products, and they will get commission, and you will work over here as an affiliate marketer. So in this video I will talk about Digistore24. Yes, and I have just created a new demo account and testing a lot of things past 1 month and got results as well. And I will show you first of all my earnings. You can see $760 because in 1 month, because I was not working on that particular ID, that is a demo account, but I was testing and I have succeed to generate this income in 1 month. And now we will discuss and figure out what is Digistore24 more in depth. That, guys, there are many people don't know about Digistore24, and they only consider Amazon associates, means Amazon affiliates. uh, you can join Amazon affiliate and you can join multiple platforms, but for the Digistore24 they provide more commissions. And one more thing I will show you, uh, Digistore24 reviews, trustpilot.com. You will go to the trustpilot.com, Digistore24. So it will tell you the website authenticity, that you can see verified company, and the ratings are 4.7 excellent. You can see the Trustpilot is telling us. The second website we will more go in depth and we will check it, Digistore24, and it will take a little bit time. Okay, it is okay. So Scam Advisor website, you will go to the Scam Advisor website and you can see over here 100 by 100 trust score, means this is the most authentic website. Digistore24 is the most authentic website for work. Guys, this is very important. Whenever you start working on any platform, check first, is that website is trustworthy or not. I don't want someone to waste their time or energy. So first of all, this is very important to understand the authenticity. The website is authentic, and after you will work over there. So 100 by 100 trust score, and for the trust pilot you can see 4.7 ratings. Now we will discuss more things over here, that whenever you go on Digistore24 website, you will click over here on register now. I'm telling this because many people are new, so that's why this is important to tell them as well. Otherwise, I have created a playlist on Digistore24. You can check my playlist. A lot of videos, a lot of methods I have discussed in my playlist. So now you can see 2 million global active users, 2 billion USD paid out, 10,000 affiliate trust. Digistore24. You will simply give your username, email, password, repeat password, and the formality information. Click over here on I have read the B2B contract and privacy policy and accept them. I sell my own product. So here, what is the main source of revenue? I sell my own product. No, you will click over here. I mainly promote products of other providers. So you will be considered as a affiliate marketer. You will not invest anything. You will not buy any product. You will not make any product. Simply you will promote others product, and whenever you sell it, you will get commission. Now the commission we will discuss over here, that there are a very good commission. That's why I earned in 1 month without doing any hard work. Okay, you will go to the marketplace first of all, and you can see if you promote, let's suppose if you promote this product, you can see $26 you will get if you promote this product. Whenever someone buy this product, you will get $26 per product. Okay, even or digital or physical, right? And whenever you start promoting, you will go to the affiliate support page. You will check it, you will read their instructions. sales page instructions, simply for checking the something like how the sales page look like, and how the affiliate supports page giving you the advice as well. Now guys, here you can see there are a lot of categories appearing over here. So it will not excuse that I am not interested in that category, so you will simply work on other category, right? uh, After that, you will see there are a lot of things appearing over here, that categories: personal development, social media, software, sports, trading products. uh, there are a lot of categories you can join, and you can simply promote their products. Okay guys, so after that, how you will sell it, this is the very important question. Now guys, you will go to the chat gpt is so popular in these days, and you can see there are a lot of people using chat gpt. Now this is the extension I will show you in this video, that this is the extension I have installed, AIPRM for ChatGPT. You will go to the Google and you will add this extension if you want more work. So AIPRM Aprim or something for ChatGPT. There are a lot of reviews and ratings, absolutely free. You can download in your browser. So you will get this type of dashboard. Now over here, topic: copywriting develops, generate AI, marketing, SaaS, SEO software, and different things. So here you can generate any kind of article with the help of ChatGPT, or you can see the extension will help you to generate multiple things. Now I will easily write over here. Let's suppose if we select some product from here, I will go to the animal and pets. I'll check over here that this product, the parrot playbook, for example, the parrot playbook, if I promote this product, I will get $9. Okay, I will click over here and promote now. So it will generate a unique affiliate link, and simply you will copy the affiliate link and you will promote it, but not directly. You will require a landing page. I will show you in this video as well. Bestseller, looking for the high converting. Okay, so I will simply copy the title from here and copy. I will go to the chat gpt and I will paste over here, and I will just modify it, this paragraph. One second. Okay, I will modify it. I will write over here, write uh, 300 words, the parrot playbook, strategies for your bird active. Okay, plus ebook. Click over here. Birds are intelligence, and there are a lot of ChatGPT is working over here. Simply you will find the best best article from ChatGPT. Simply you will copy it and you will paste in your landing page, and you will start promoting your landing page on every social platform, guys. Every social platform: Pinterest, Quora, Medium, Article Biz. I have created already a lot of videos on Medium, Article Base, Quora, Pinterest, Facebook groups, um, there Twitter. There are a lot of social media platforms. Simply you will promote your landing page with the help of with the help of ChatGPT. You will generate the content from ChatGPT. You will put in the landing page, and then you will simply copy the article from here, this piece of content from here. You will go to the Google sites.google.com, absolutely free. You will simply go there, click over here on blank. I'm telling you how you will make your free landing page. You will give the title, give the eye catchy title, means the best parrot book, the best parrot playbook, like this. Okay, and after that, when you will give the title, you will simply paste your article which you have generated from chat gpt. Simply give here, and after that simply you will move to the product, click over here, and okay, one second, I'm not logging in, no problem. You will click over here, you will get the unique affiliate link. Okay, and you will go to the landing page, you will select the paragraph from here. After that you will click over here link, you will paste your product link, affiliate link over here. Then you will click over here on apply. Then you will click over here on publish. Whenever you click on the publish, you will create a unique url, like I will click over here, okay, parrot 1 for example. So this will become a unique url, https sites.google.com view parrot slash 1. Okay, and then you will click over here on publish. After that this unique url publish, okay, I will give you the as okay. So here you will get the, one second, view history, make publish. Okay, okay, one second, and you will view publish site. Okay, so you, this will be your unique url, this one. Okay, and you will put your pictures, I mean not your pictures, I mean your product pictures, your product pictures in background, and you will paste your article over here, and then you will start promoting on every social media platforms, and you will get results. Guys, I have implemented this method, that's why I have generated this amount. So hope this video will become a very helpful for you. If you have any kind of question, you can ask me in comments, I will definitely try to give you the best answer. So till now, take care, goodbye.